Hello everyone, and welcome to How-FixIT. If your Lenovo ThinkCentre M93p resets the date and time, loses BIOS settings, fails to boot, or powers on with the fan spinning but no display, the problem may be related to the CMOS battery or corrupted BIOS settings. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the CMOS battery, clear the BIOS using the motherboard recovery jumper, remove certain forgotten BIOS passwords, restore the BIOS settings, and explain how the same jumper is used for boot block recovery. For this repair, you will need a Phillips No. 1 screwdriver and tweezers to help you move the jumper. I've included links to the tools and parts in the video description below. Before you start, make sure the computer is disconnected from the power adapter. Disassembly begins with removing the top cover of the case. Unscrew the screw located near the DisplayPort connector. After removing the screw, slide the top cover to the side and lift it off the case. First, disconnect the SATA cable from the hard drive, then remove the two screws securing the hard drive bracket. Slide the hard drive bracket to the side to release it from the slots, then remove it from the case. Now you have access to the CMOS battery. The CMOS battery preserves the date, time, and BIOS configuration while the computer is turned off and disconnected from power. If the battery fails, this information may be lost, and an error message may appear the next time the computer starts. I've included a link to a replacement CMOS battery in the video description below. After replacing the battery, an error message may also appear during the first boot. This is normal. Enter the BIOS setup utility, restore the correct date, time, boot order, and any other required settings, then save the changes. Removing the CMOS battery while the computer is completely disconnected from power may reset some stored BIOS settings. However, Lenovo's official method for clearing CMOS is to use the Clear CMOS Recovery jumper on the motherboard. The jumper has two positions: pins 1 to 2 standard position, pins 2 to 3 maintenance position. To clear CMOS, turn off the computer, disconnect the power adapter and all cables, and move the jumper from pins 1 to 2 to pins 2 to 3. Reconnect the power adapter, turn on the computer for approximately 10 seconds, and wait for the short beeps. Then turn off the computer, disconnect the power adapter again, and return the jumper to its standard position on pins 1 to 2. This procedure clears the CMOS configuration and may remove some forgotten BIOS passwords, but it does not remove a hard drive password. A CMOS reset may also fix a no boot or no display problem if it is caused by incorrect BIOS settings or corrupted CMOS data. However, it will not repair failed RAM, an incompatible or damaged processor, a faulty power adapter, or a defective motherboard. The same jumper is also used for boot block recovery if a BIOS update was interrupted and the computer no longer starts normally. However, BIOS recovery is a separate procedure that requires the correct BIOS recovery media. Moving the jumper by itself will not restore a corrupted BIOS. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Visit our website for more tech insights and do-it-yourself guides. Remember, every tech challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Thanks for watching How-FixIT, and see you in the next video.